Hello everyone, we are back with another stream. Monday we have another whole week to pass one of the accounts. I think it's important to remember what I'm doing, which is I'm trying to pass at least one account with my funded futures. This is how the accounts are looking right now. So the closest one I have to pass is the one ending on 40. Which was the one I traded on Friday, trying to pass it. Now I think you can hear me. Yeah. Perfect. So yes, I have 3 accounts with my funded futures. 3 of them are challenge accounts. I would like to record the whole process to keep records. And that's what I'm doing here. Not actually selling anything, just trading. Last Monday was very good for me, for this account. However, Mondays, I have to say I struggle a little. A couple weeks ago, I did a study analyzing my performance and using trade seller, and I realized Mondays were my worst. Now what I do is just wait for more information. Price opened very strong. It sell off from 6 a.m. hit new week opening gap and reverse aggressively. Thank you. It's about to take yesterday high. However, it is still holding below. And Q took yesterday high, and yes, still holding below. This is the first time NQ take yesterday high, whereas ES took it at 4 in the morning. NQ once again at all-time high. So now it's just waiting. That's what I would do. Just wait. Wow, lots of people joining on TikTok. Hello to everyone. I'm trading in 3 my funded future challenge accounts. Right now I'm just looking, NQ just made another all-time high. Hit first percent fair value gap and it's ripping up. I'm laughing because it's a lot of people joining on TikTok. Hello to everyone. Thank you for joining. Price hit first percent fair value gap and move about 30 points away from it. 5-minute candles are looking very, very strong. So the only thing I would do here, because it's hard to reverse at all-time high to enter, for me to enter a reverse trade at all-time high. So the only thing I can do here, it's wait for a pullback and enter for more upside to a measured move. Other than that, I will still need more information, maybe price dropping a lot to enter for my downside, but the downside's not looking good now. Hello everyone. Feel free to comment anything you think it's going to happen. What are you watching? How do you feel with NQ at all-time high? For me, I don't like to say it's hard, but it's different because when we are on a range, I feel like I have easy levels to target. And then at all-time high, first I will have to go long for more upside, but targeting what? Nothing else than a measure and move. And measure and move, sometimes it works, sometimes only three down close candles in 15 minutes. Only three down close candles in 15 minutes. Look at that. Price is very strong. Hey, how's it going? I know. Only three down close candles in 15 minutes. Whoever was ready to enter for more upside got a very good opportunity here at the first percenter fair value gap. No, I did not enter. Price just took yesterday high, and when price does that, I like to give it a little bit room because I think chances for reversal increases a little bit more after taking yesterday high or yesterday low. So, but it's still a good opportunity in my opinion. Yeah, I was saying that I'm going to wait as well, but I don't like to say it's difficult when price hits at all-time high, but it's not the same because when we are on a range, I have levels to target like previous day high, previous day low, sell side liquidities, things like that. But now, the only thing I can target is pullback, maybe high of day or a measure move. And even with that, I have to be aggressive with the trailing because we can still do a lower high and reversing. Usually Mondays are not this crazy in bets. And we don't even have, do we have any high impact news this week? I was looking and we only have PMI on Thursday. And tomorrow I believe Paul will speak at 8:30. Beautiful time to speak. Market's quite volatile today, to be honest. Yep. It is. As I'd rather to stay like this for the whole day and not turn into balance. Sideways. Because that's the first thing that I think when I see movement like this, especially when I don't catch anything here. I keep thinking, just give me another leg and do not turn sideways, please. But it is what it is. As long as I'm able to identify when it's about to turn into balance or when it's about to start to go sideways, it's good. Because being on a trade while it's sideways, I was also kind of distracted. There was a lot of people entering the live, like more than 50 people. Sometimes when you get this move, don't you get the feeling that instead of keep looking for more upside, don't you start thinking that the move is done and now you want to reverse trade something from a downside, even though it's very strong? Yeah, now they're doing things very different. What's the word? No, no correlation. So it's going to be a long day. I mean long, like long, not like going long. Do you trade gold or oil, or just ESN and Q? How are they doing now? I think this is gold. Yeah. Tottenham as well? Oh no. Well, this is much better. I have never tested this. I mean, traded. Maybe time for reversal. For me, I trade reversal when it becomes a trend. Maybe I get in too late, but reversal, it's anything still, anything at this price is still bullish for me, to call it one way. Have you seen lots of reversal inside macro, or inside macro you like to go for continuation? Because inside macro I like to go for continuation. No, I know there's a lot of people that like to trade reversal, but I think for me it's still another level, let's call it that way, because I would never say that it doesn't work. It's just another level. I'd rather still master trades and then at some point try with reversal. I still trade with reversal, but the thing is that when I go to I always end up, when I'm on drag down, I always end up looking, my worst trades are the reversals, so I try to take them out. And lately when I enter in a reversal, I just wait for a little bit more information. Like I see price struggling, I see a level taken out twice, a lower high for example, things like that. But believe me, and also I like to, let's say I made some profit, right? Risk does profit, but sometimes I have no profits the dates, and then we just have to deal with whatever the market give us. Or no trade at all. Let's see what price does. In this fair value gap is still holding as of now. I forgot to ask you how is the volume of the music volume. It's good, it's too loud. No, me, I like quiet. Yeah. That's why I'm asking you, because I don't hear it. It's about to be 10.10 in price, still close to its high. Boredom, I think it's also a trader's enemy. The fact of just being sit here and watching the candles. I think after a couple of minutes, you want to do something. Forget about plans, forget about everything. Just trade. You can hear me. Let me see. How about now? I was saying that boredom, it's one of traders' enemy, especially when price do move like this, because sometimes I get the sense that I missed something here. Like, how come price move all this and I have been sitting here and I wasn't able to make any profit here? But it's not true. It's just because I didn't see any opportunity. That's why I didn't enter. It's the same I was telling you, I don't trade pre-market. I don't feel anything when I see movement like this because I don't trade it. It's the same with this. There was nothing for me here, so, but sometimes the mind plays tricks. You hear more the music. I think you should be good for now. Now we're just balancing in a channel. Which I believe it's normal after this big move. This weekend I applied to become affiliate with my funded futures, which is the prop firm I trade. I don't plan on sell their plans or anything like that. It's just whoever enter here and see what I'm trading and maybe like the prop firm that I'm trading, they can use the codes for a discount. So I was thinking that's what I want to do. I want people to see what I'm doing and they made their conclusion. It's not about me trying to push anything, because whatever I do here, it is what it is. What are the requirements for what? Honestly, I don't know. I just applied. Maybe I explained to them what I wanted to do. I don't sell courses. I'm not a mentor. I don't plan to teach like to sell course or anything like that. So I explained them that I was planning on record the whole thing, the journey, explaining if I was like what platform I'm using, what prop firm, how do I study, how do I see how I do goods on their website. They have also like a small journal thing. So all of that, and I explained all of that to them, and they say they will answer in 2 to 3 business days. Crystal clear for them and for the viewers and everyone. It's not like I'll do it one-to-one to teach people how to use the prop firm. No, I don't plan on doing that. It's just if you enter the live and you see me streaming and you ask me, I like that prop firm, well, I have a discount for you. That's it. I explained it because I see others streamer that they get negative comments about that. Like they made the money through affiliate and not through trading. And if I ever do that, if I ever make more money in affiliate than trading, that's my story. That's what I want to sell in my videos, in my live stream. The trader and I will say I can still keep trading because you guys help me to make more money in affiliate than trading. You see, that's really what I want to sell. Everything I show here, that's what I want to sell. No private courses, no teaching. Is this going to stop going up, or we are going to do this for the rest of the day? Gold is also booming. Let's see gold. Let's see gold, because honestly there's nothing I can think about right now on NQ. I won't trade gold today though. I've never traded before. I love this. How it took it this double bottom and reverse. That was beautiful. All the way to this swing high. These pullbacks are a little bit better for me to catch something, but NQ doesn't want to do that. Maybe there's something for us at 10:15 macro, 10:45 macro. So this is how the accounts are looking. 40 is the closest one to the target. $39, it's about to be gone. I only have $150 drag down available in this account. And the other one, 38, it's still good. Yes, right now doing a higher high and then Q holding below. That's one of the things I'll be looking if I decide ever to enter for my downside. Let's see how long that lasts. Price continues supporting PDR rates for more upside. The first percent of fair value gap here. And then we have the first percent of fair value gap. Then we have this one, which is just a 945, and then a 954 price tested, which is inside macro, and then continue higher, and then respected this swing low and made another high, and it keeps doing the same thing throughout the day. And then I go in the afternoon to study and see this and this, and I say, wow, but today was the easiest day of the week. I just decided to enter at one fair value gap. I see someone here in TikTok has 3 points, but I don't know why it's that. It's K bro. You know, this day looks like for me like Thursday last week. Wish I didn't trade. This was good. This was an opportunity. However, it dropped a lot. And then I was wondering if price was reversing or just doing a pullback. By the time I realized, look, last week, Thursday was the only day I didn't trade. All right, I see you. Thank you for coming back. I'm going to wait until 10:50, 11, 10 micro and see if I can catch anything between that time. I will be looking for more upside unless we do something very, very aggressive to the downside. Hey, thank you for the follow. JB Pike 99. Thank you for watching as well. Right now, I'm just waiting for the 10:15, 11:10 macro. Price opened very aggressive, and I couldn't find any setups and this huge leg. Even though the first percent fair value gap was a good opportunity, I didn't like that price just took yesterday high. And even if I was thinking price was going to continue high, I wanted a little bit more pullback, but it was so aggressive that and then very small pullback after that. Now inside 10:15 micro, I would like to see a movement that it will look like more downside, like price it's reversing, and then I would like to enter for more upside. Maybe not targeting high of day, because like I said at the beginning, when I see price at all-time high, it's kind of difficult for me to set a target because we only have a measuring move and high of day. We don't have previous day high, we don't have sell side liquidity, none of that. As long as price continues with this strength, I will keep looking for more upside. For more downside, I would like to see a new trend forming, and that would be, I need like about 4 or 5 down close candle consecutive, especially closing low to its low, big candles. What are you watching, JB? Thank you, 2 minutes. NQ 2-minute looks clean. It looks cleaner than the 1 minute. Do you trade reversals? Are you looking to enter for more downside? Or would you rather wait for a pullback to enter for more upside? Or whatever price give you? Pullback then upside down. Okay. What market are you watching? I'm watching NQ, NES, and I like to trade NQ. How about you? Am I missing something? That depends on the way you trade. Price has been very strong. Anyone buying above previous 5-minute candle made profit. It just depends the way you trade. I know, right? I think everyone trading Yes, I mean everyone trading prop firm or futures, it's trading NQ. Honestly, I don't know why. But and I got pulled to do that as well because I used to trade ES only, but I used to trade options. And then then as soon as I switched to futures, it was like NQ was the only thing I could trade, so but I don't know why. Do you announce your trade, entry and exit? When I enter on a trade, you will see it in the white chart on NinjaTrader. I usually say when I'm going to entry, when I'm going to enter, when I'm going to exit. However, I strongly advise you not to follow me. See, this is what I wanted to see. A move for more downside. And why I wanted to see this is because I remember watching markets like this and then 3 down close candle, and for me it was ready for more downside, and then entering for more downside just to see price reversing and the trend continues. This could be a reversal, of course, it's all about probabilities, but I feel I have higher chances entering and making profit for more upside than for more downside. Now, if we continue doing down close candles, closing close to its low, just like this one, then I might be getting a chance to enter for more downside. But as of right now, I'm looking for more upside. It's 10:51. So if I don't catch a move now between 10:50 and 11:10, I'm going to end it there. I say I don't like to trade reversal, but if we look at a lower time frame, if I enter here for more upside, I'm entering on reverse on this lower time frame reverse, lower time frame leg. It's still a bearish leg, but I like to stay sync with the trend of the day instead of a lower time frame trend. Let's see if price takes this low. Hey Luna, how you doing? The stream is going good. No trade as of now. Still just watching. How about you? So this is not what I want to see. However, I still need to see how price closes. But that week, it just means, for me, balanced sideways. Last minute of the candle, and I want to see it closing close to its high. I like that it closed above 50% of the candle. It's not that bad. You know, there's not a single imbalance in the previous 40 minutes. I don't like what buyers are doing down here. It's not what I want to see for my upside. Therefore, I might be looking to enter for my downside. ES took previous 5-minute high, and MQ it's holding below. Hey Ash, thank you for the follow. So I will be entering here for my downside, a 1-to-1 trade. And the only reason I put it down here, it's because then we'll be keep doing lower lows. But as of now, the fact that price is doing higher lows, it's good for my upside, so that's why I put it down here. So and I will be going for the 1-to-1 trade, which is at 75. Very short, very stop loss pretty close, but it's a 1-to-1 trade. Yes, it's way stronger than NQ. Price just took this swing low. And also hit this order block. This for me, it's a C setup, so my target is a measuring move. I could have gone for this swing low, but I decided to go for the 1-to-1. This swing low was between 50 and 75. It's not looking good, especially with the strength on ES. We're about to be a stop out, and that's it. Stop out, and that's it. This is the first and last trade of the day. Macro is done. Price swept this swing low and reverse. I think this was a good target. I just decided to go for the 1-to-1 and price reverse at the 75. No bad price action today, just kind of difficult for me to find a trade in this leg, which was probably the best move. I was going to say it was a small loss, but it's not a small loss. I entered with 3 contracts. It's $700 loss, $700 loss. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the people that follow me. Tomorrow I'll be live streaming as well at 9:25. Thank you for the likes. See you tomorrow.